Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome to this another scene in this series of videos whereby I create scenes using the Blender 2.8 and using the real-time render engine EEVEE. And as usual, these scenes are available on our Patreon page. For just $2 you can get access to this scene and other by now we have about 16. So for just $2 you can get access to this scene and the other 15. And yeah, you can just pull them up and start animating. You can just put your characters here and start telling your story. And yeah, so as usual, like I've said many times, my goal by the end of this year is to have at least 300 different scenes for you guys, because I know there's a big shortage of EEVEE scenes. And yeah, you guys have been having problems trying to create your stories, because you feel like you have to do almost everything from scratch, which I know can be a hustle, which is why I'm creating all these scenes. So for just $2 you can just support me in my mission of creating over 300. I hope if I even reach that, but that's my goal, over 300 scenes using Blender 2.8 and the EEVEE real-time render engine. And yeah, you always ask me what graphics card am I using. I'm using the GTX 750 Ti 2GB. It's an NVIDIA graphics card which I bought for like 65 US dollars. It's a very cheap graphics card, but it works nice. And yeah, so these scenes right now are not actually hyper realistic, but yeah, I'm trying also to learn how to make them up hyper realistic and render in real time. I do have a couple of scenes that I've made that are hyper realistic, but they're not rendering in real time, which is like it throws away the entire purpose of having a real-time render engine. If a single frame is going to render for 20 seconds, I mean, for me at least, I would say it kills the entire purpose of having a real-time render engine, because that scene maybe could render for a minute per frame on cycles, but on EEVEE would render 20 seconds per frame. But so I'm creating these scenes in such a way that you can render them quickly, so that you can make your animations as fast as possible. So yeah, so this scene is available on our Patreon page, and many other scenes, they're there. So, and also guys, you keep on asking me about Sintel, the Sintel 2, the film which I said I was going to make using EEVEE. Yeah, like I said before, it takes a lot of time, and I have a daytime job working in advertising, so I'll try to squeeze in some time and do Sintel 2. But for now, you guys have been telling me, I've been DMing me on Instagram telling me that I should consider having an Indiegogo. And I always tell you guys, that is difficult, raising those you need to have an email list. You need to have like there's so much complication when you want to do like a Kickstarter for a film, and it's actually going to be hard right now, because we don't have yet a trailer, but we do plan to have one. If by the time you're watching this, maybe you already have a trailer, you'll find the link somewhere there below. But we're trying. So yeah, so thank you guys, and keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's very important. It makes our channel look big. So thank you.